If you suspect a faulty capacitor, set your multimeter to capacitance, microfarads. Place the probes on the capacitor terminals and compare the measured value with the rating printed on the capacitor. If it differs by more than plus or minus 10%, the capacitor is bad and should be replaced. For example, this one is supposed to be 8 microfarads. As you can see, this one is bad. This one is supposed to be 15 microfarads, and this is the example of a good capacitor. Subscribe and like for more.